Sidewalks are pretty crazy, and we're gonna try to walk up this one if we can. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're just gonna film in this area. We're on Avenida de Praia Grande, the street of the big beach, if you translate it in English. Some street signs here. And what we're gonna do is follow these tiles, and I'm actually gonna be walking to the Portuguese bookstore, but we're gonna just follow some of this. Looks like some kids just got out of school. So yeah, like this if you're interested in this video, and I'm just gonna keep on filming stuff. So lots of people have their umbrellas today. It's kind of interesting. Trying to get around. Beautiful green building right here. It's looks pretty impressive on the other side of the street. Here you're a little too close with it to really see it. It's great though. Okay, so we're just gonna follow down and yeah, like this video if you're interested in what I'm doing here. Creating content of I'm basically recording stuff in Macau so that there's a record of it. As things keep changing, Macau will become a different city in the future. There's a lot of events going on in Hong Kong. We don't really know exactly what the future is, but we can record it while we're here in the present. So. And later I will have a better camera. I was using a GoPro for quite a while, and that camera is no longer working, unfortunately. So I'm using a like a point and shoot camera, which is not really designed for walking, but it is a camera and I still can record and I can still comment. So I'm gonna try to navigate this right here. It's pretty crowded, and we have to, the sidewalk ends right there, so we have to walk over to this side. And basically we're at the street of the, let me see, we can go that way. It's pretty crowded. Let's see if we can go this way. This might be an alternative. Let's just see what's in here. It's an alley, so you can't go any further, but I've never actually seen this alley before. So, okay. It's a pension house. So we're gonna walk back out. And so down there was the street of the large beach, Gran Praia. And actually the water used to come up there, then they reclaimed all the land that's over on that side. So this is all the old Macau that's been here for a long time. Sidewalks are pretty crazy, and we're gonna try to walk up this one if we can, so you can see. So yeah, you want to go around it, but you can't, so you're kind of stuck right here. Okay, so we made it to the that Gran Praia. We just walked up this crowded, crazy street, and we're gonna basically see this all day today. We're gonna just see tourists everywhere. And up here is Plaza de Sé. So I'm gonna end this little video, and I'm gonna zoom in. Lots of people with umbrellas today. Sunny day. All those crowds, eh?